Hearing protection. For sleeping, loud noise, concerts, construction, heavy machinery, music, and other loud environments. Also great for creating silence. Convenient. Jar holds 50 pairs, easy to take anywhere. Comfortable fit. Smooth, comfortable, extra soft and extra light foam that tapers to your ear canal for a custom fit. 29 decibel NRR, noise reduction rate. Latex free. Made in the USA. Top reviews from the United States. My favorites. These are great if you want to block a lot of sound. They go in easily, stay in, are fairly comfortable, and cheap. I wear them for sleeping and using loud power tools. I don't use them for loud music, because they block too much of the upper frequencies. I have other, special earplugs for that. But of course wearing these is better than damaging your ears.